quadrupedal termagant serves as the standard infantry unit of any Tyrannid swarm. Speed, agility and survival are the main characteristics of termagant bioform. These small Xenos warriors most commonly carry the dreaded flesh borer biomorph, but have been known to carry other more potent weapon biomorphs into battle. Termagants are among the first species of Tyrannid dispatched when a high fleet invades a new star system. In battle they are often seen accompanying Tyrannid warriors. In fact, there is a strange affinity between the two Tyrannid species. Termagants will react instinctively when a Tyrannid warrior is threatened by swarming the opponent with overwhelming numbers before the larger bioform can be harmed. This reaction may be to protect the synapse ability of Tyrannid warriors and so preserve the hive mind's control over the Tyrannid swarm. While not very effective in combat as a small group, they are most powerful when swarming in large broods across the target planet once the Great Devourer's invasion reaches its high tide. Come build, collect and play. Check out your local Warhammer store for more.